From generating creative stories to composing articles in seconds, AI writing tools like ChatGPT have taken the world by storm. But how do they work? And what does this mean for the future of writing? In simple terms, AI writing tools are software that use artificial intelligence to create text-based content. They analyze vast amounts of data and patterns in human language to generate coherent and contextually relevant sentences. AI writing tools, like ChatGPT from OpenAI, are built using large language models such as GPT-4. These models are trained on enormous datasets containing books, articles, and online content. They learn to understand grammar, context, and even tone, which allows them to generate human-like text responses. So why are AI writing tools gaining popularity so quickly? It's because they save time and effort. Whether you're a marketer, student, or content creator, AI writing assistants help you brainstorm ideas, draft emails, write essays, and even code. They can act as research assistants, language translators, or even creative partners to help writers break free from writer's block. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI tools like ChatGPT raise questions about copyright, misinformation, and the authenticity of human creativity. There's also the concern that AI could replace certain jobs or compromise originality in creative work. Despite the concerns, the future of AI writing tools looks promising. Researchers are continually improving these models to be more accurate, ethical, and helpful. And in the end, AI can be a great collaborator, not just a replacement. From simplifying daily tasks to enhancing creative projects, AI writing tools are becoming a game changer in our digital age. So what do you think? Are AI tools revolutionizing the way we write, or are they stepping into territory meant for humans only? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on the world of technology.